What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Bearded Ford Tech, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you are not new here, thank you for returning. I was in the process of cleaning up. I got a little bit of trash. I got to move my AC machine. I cleaned the floor. Doesn't look like it, but I did. I degreased it. It's nice and shiny and clean. I promise. Okay? I got to redo my inventory with some washer fluid. That is not kitty litter. Those are actual brake pads. And I did clean this floor too. I still got to clean the lift. But a lot of you guys were asking me for a shop tour. And you were asking what kind of lifts I have. Well, I actually have 3 lifts. And I can't use this one right now because all this is in my way. So this cabinet over here, I'm in the process of cleaning all this out, by the way. This Milwaukee stuff is going to go back on here, and it's going to go underneath the shelf somewhere. The mop I'm keeping. All this shelving, all that right there, gone. I don't need it, and because this shelf right here, this shelving is going to go away too, because I have this shelf with my brake rotors. Those are for the new Tahoes. These are the brake pads for the new Tahoes. They have the Brimbos. These are rear, those are rear pads. I'm going to keep that. This is a coolant flush machine, and I don't know what that is because I've never opened it. That over there, gone. All this stuff, I don't use any of this stuff. It was here when I got here, and it's just really in my way. I don't use this battery charger. I have another one over there. So I would really like to use this bay. So you can see there's a lift. Oh, there's one, and the controls for it are over there, right here. So if we can get over here, it is a Butcher hydraulics. Let's see, the poundage is probably on the other side, just like that lift over there. I love that lift over there. It's awesome. Yeah, here we go. Model number EQ10, serial number, date produced 2021, so it's not that old. This is a 10,000 pound lift. Not bad, huh? And then I'll move my press probably over there somewhere. This lift right here, it is certified Atlas. It is a 12,000 pound lift. There's the up button. I need to secure that better. That's just kind of hanging on there. I don't like that, but I love this lift. It extends out pretty far. I do love it, and it's really tall. Really tall. You can compare it. There's my other one. It's taller. I can go way up with that one. This one is my drive on. And there's actually a button right here that raises it. So I can stand over here and raise it. But to lower it, obviously, gotta come over here. And this one raises the F450s I don't know who makes this lift. I don't know what kind of lift this is. Oh, Challenger. Model 4015XFO. Serial number, and this was built in 2014. This is a 15,000 pound lift. This one does lift F450s, no problem. The thing is, it's not real tall. So I actually have Max 1, Max 2, and then this one right here. Usually when I get to Max 2, it's about this high. When I get it up to this one up here, I can walk underneath it. But if I have one where I can't close my door because the back end sticks out too far, like a 2020, 2021, I can put it up to Max 2. Still gives me enough room to get underneath it. And my 55-gallon drum of AMSOIL 5W40, I can get 16 trucks. So that, and I got a little light right there, plugs in that cord right there. And so I gotta put all my stock oil in these cabinets here. So a lot of you guys ask me, what do I work on? I work on a lot of Ford F450 6.7s, and I'm in charge of an entire fleet. That creeper's pretty handy too. I have some Ford Explorers in the fleet, and I also have some Chevy Tahoes, and I think I have a 650. And what else is it? A couple of those little Nissan NV200s, which are actually Nissan engines, but they are Chevrolet frames. Sorry, going up the stairs here. That's pretty cool. If I got something heavy, I can put it on that. And then my whole parts room in here. So seat belts, switches, moldings. I got some airbag stuff in here. Some harness connectors. What is this? That is a console. What we got here? A mirror. Ooh, a mirror. I may need that. I ordered one. I didn't know if I had one. And I got a belt. Some air filters. I think. Yeah, I don't know what. Oh. Yeah. What are these? Caps. 910S. All my oil filters and stuff are down there. What else is that got over here? Some sensors. All Ford. Yeah, it's a sensor. Belt. Fuel caps. I think I had some emblems down here too. Somewhere. Bunch of Ford parts. Okay. So these emblems were on like national back order. I got one, two. I got two of them. So. But yeah, vacuum. And if I need to cut anything or drill anything, I got this whole workbench up here. That box is still here from when I did that review. What is this? Oh, nice little table. But yeah, that's the shop, and I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.